Hello guys, welcome you all to the channel. Let us solve some questions which are related to letter analogy series, which was asked in SSC previous year question papers, and I have already sent 2 videos on letter analogy. Guys who didn't see it, just go back and just search it in my playlist. You will get it. Practice those 10 questions and then come to solve some questions related which was taken by SSC examinations. It will help you guys. Okay, let us start solving the questions which were given in previous question year paper questions. Okay, what is the first trick I have said? Write down the letters in column wise direction, that is O, N, M, J, I, H. There is a beautiful relationship between these two, and the same relationship you have to maintain to find out what is actually the question mark asked is. Okay, in the left side I will write O as run the positions numbers. Okay, O is 15, N is 14, M is 13, right? J is 10, I is 9, H is 8. So what is the relationship between O and J, N and I, M and H now? 15 minus 5 is 10, 14 minus 5 is 9, 13 minus 5 is 8. So my logic behind this is minus 5. So here also I want to maintain the same relationship as previous to get the answer. It is minus 5 relation. Logic is minus 5. T stands for 20, S stands for 19, R stands for 18. 20 minus 5 is 15, 19 minus 5 is 14, 18 minus 5 is 13, 15th letter is O, 15th letter is O, yes, and 14th letter is M, N, it is N, 13th letter is M. So my answer for this question is O, N, M, and option, I think it is there, yes it is, option D. Option D is the right answer for this question. It's asked in SSC JEE 2011 question paper. Again I will move to second question. That is also asked in SSC JEE 2011. So Z, Y, X, W, D, C, B, A. Next I want to find out for R, S, R, Q, P, and what is actually the question mark here, right? So it may be complementary series. You can see because there is A here, Z is here, next Y is here, similarly B is here, X is here, C is here, W is here, D is here, right? So it may be the complementary series. If I check it once, so for S, for P, what is the for S, what is actually the complementary series? You must able to understand, right? So I will write the complementary series for you guys. A Z, A B C D E F, G H I, J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z, right? For S it is H, right? For S it is H. So whether there is an option which starts for S it is H, yes. Next for S it is, sorry, for R it is I. It goes like, it moves like this in the intermediate directions, right? It moves like this. So I, for R, for S I have H, for R I have I, for Q I have J, right? J, and for P I have K. Yes, just check the answer whether my answer for this question here is K, J, I, H, whether it is there in the order. Yes, it is there in the option B. The option for this question is option B. It is the right answer. Okay, it's a complementary series. So I have given one a trick to remember the complementary series in the previous videos. Just move back and just make a thorough of it. Okay, let us move to next question. okay, it's a mixed version, that is something the letters are converted into number, and again the letters must be converted into number. Okay, so I will write down D E A, and it is given as there is a relationship between DEA with 10, and there is a relation, there should be some relation between ACE and which number it is. Okay, so write down, always when they give number, then there may be chances of adding or subtraction of the positions, like D stands for 4, E stands for 5, A stands for 1, right? So what is 4 plus 5 plus 1? 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 1 is 10. The answer is 10, and the relation here it is given as 10. So similar manner, A is 1, C is 3, E is 5. 1 plus 3 plus 5, what is the answer? 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1, 9 is the answer. So relation, the same relation if I use from this to here, so the answer must be 0, 9, and option, whether there is, it's option, yes, it's a B option. Option B is the right answer for this. Okay, it's asked in SSC JEE 2011 examination, and I will move further to some other questions. Yes, it is asked in SSC JEE 2012 question paper. It's like A, E, J, O, and it has a relationship with the Z, V, Q, L, and what is actually the relation for D, I, N, S, and question mark series. Okay, so in the left side I will write A is 1, E is 5, J is 10, O is 15, Z is 26, V is 24, sorry, yes, 20, V is 22, Q is 17, and L is 12, right? So you can see here it's a complementary series problem again, right? It's a complementary series problem you have to use here. So what is actually the complementary series for D, I, and N and S? Again complementary series. I will write here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Right? For A it is Z, yes, it is given. For E it is V, yes. Next for J it is Q, yes. Next for O it is L, yes, it is also right. So what is for D? For D we have W, write down here W. For I have R, Indian rupees, IR. For N I have lemon or mango, that is yum. And next for S I have H. So my answer for this question is WRMH. Whether it is there in option? Yes, option A. Option A is the right answer for this question. Okay, let us move to next question, guys. Asked in SSC JEE 2012 again. IRTH, again H, Q, S, G, and R, Q, P, O, and what is actually the relation? Identify the relationship between I and H, R and Q, T and H, and H and G. I will write the numbers. I is 9, R stands for 18, T stands for 20, H stands for 8, H stands for 8 here, Q stands for 17, right? S stands for 19, G stands for 7. So 9 minus 1 is 8, 18 minus 1 is 17, 20 minus 1 is 19, 8 minus 1 is 17. So logic behind this is minus 1. So again I will write numbers, positions here. It is 18, Q is 17, P is 16, again Q is 17 here. Sorry, it is not Q, it is O. Okay, it is not Q, it is O. Okay, it is O. O is 15, right? 18 minus 1 is 17. 17th letter is Q. Next 17, it is minus 1 logic, right? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. 17 minus 1 is 16. 16 I have 16th letter is I think P, right? I have 16th letter as P. 16 minus 1 is 15, it is O. 15 minus 1 is 14, it is n. So my answer for this question is QPON. Whether it is there in the option? Yes, option A. So let it. Option A is the right answer for this question. Guys, practice this. Around 15 questions I have solved. Practice this. I will come along in next video by some other problems from previous year question papers. Let us solve together. And if you like this sessions, please comment me for your any doubts, and please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, guys.